Hi everybody, this is Summer Selby and today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a tour on Google Earth. I remember as a kid always just playing around with Google Earth, typing my address in and, walking down my street. So this time I'm going to show you all how to really go into more detail with Google Earth. So I'm going to start out with layers, and I just have Google Earth Pro. I downloaded it to my computer because it's easier to use once it's downloaded. Okay, go to layers, and right now this image is super dull. So we want to add some things to it. I always like to start out with the borders and labels because you can just kind of see, what continents border what and everything. Next thing will be places, photos, roads, buildings, and that doesn't matter right now just looking at it from so far away, but whenever we get up close it will make a difference. Next is weather. I think weather is a big deal because you can see the clouds and what's going on. And then the terrain, which you can hardly see, you can hardly even tell, but it's important to me. So the next thing will be, we'll go to my places. And then we will go to, okay, so in my places, you'll double click it and then you go to add and then folder. And then that's where you'll make your folder. Mine is called Music Festivals of the World. And I thought that would be kind of fun to do a tour over, Okay, so Music Festivals of the World, and then you're gonna go to search. This is gonna be my first place. I actually have the address. I'm doing Summerfest. So I have the address right here. Just going to copy paste it real quick. Right here. And it's actually already there. Search. And this one only has one real address. There's not multiple in the world. So they came up perfectly. And it has a pin right here. So basically I'll just go up here and make a pin. I'm going to call it Summerfest, and it automatically has the latitude and longitude right there. It wants a description, so I already have one right here made up. I'm just going to paste it, and then you can add a web image, you can add a link, you can add a local image. I'll just add a local image from my computer real quick, and of the United States. Let's see, there's a good one, just for an example, okay? And then I want to change my pin. So you'll just go right here, click that. I'm going to make mine a boat. Let's see. I want to make this. Let's see. There we go. A little bit shorter so I can push OK. All right. And it's a boat. And then I'll just push OK down here. Perfect. All right. So the next thing is how to view your tour, and you can do that several times, as many times as you want to. And I'm just going to get rid of this, and you're going to go to My Places. Just make sure it's highlighted. You're going to right click and then Add Tour. Okay. Then you're going to go down here, and it actually shows you right here if you want to record it with or without your voice. There's a microphone. So you can do an absolute tour on Google, or you can do what I'm doing right now. And then I'll just go down to this in the bottom right corner. And it pretty much, you can speed it up, you can slow it down. It just shows you exactly where these places are, and that. And I'm going to speed it up just a little bit. I'm actually also going to pause it right here. See if we can zoom it out a little bit just so you can see where it's going. Yeah. So all of this really works and it's useful. So there we go. Coachella, California. Shows you where that, and you'll see these little pictures everywhere, and that just kind of tells you that events happen there, and there's history and other things. There's the Rock in Rio, and you can really tell that's a big one. Let's see, Splendor in the Grass Music Festival in a field. And Summerfest, which is really right here, but maybe that exact address leads right there. So that's how you use it. Thanks.